On the job, we have the option to set up some job-specific prices. So we might use this if we're not using customer price groups, but only want to set a price for this specific project for the customer. As you can see, there are 3 different ways to set up prices for GL accounts, resources, and items. In this video, we will look at the items. There are different ways to define prices, or different approaches. I can define prices down to job task, or I can define a price that is valid for the whole job if I leave the job task number blank. And that's the general rule across all of these fields. If I leave the value blank, it will mean that it covers all types. So blank job task number means that it's valid for all of these job task numbers. If I want to set up a specific item price on a specific item, I will choose it on the list. I can, for example, choose this street sport bike with a normal unit price of 5,999. I can also define specific setups for the unit of measure. If the price is only valid for a specific currency code, I will leave the currency code blank as I'm using local currency. I could define a unit price for this bike for 5,000 on this project. And I might want to create a new price for a street touring bike. Here I might not want to give them a specific unit price on the job, but maybe an agreed discount. I can also set up a unit cost factor if you want the customer to pay by a factor on the cost. So we could do that on 1011 and say that they should pay cost 20%. And since it's a factor, it will be multiplied to the amount. So I'll write it as 1.20.